Hi, this is Jingwei here from SMARTRobie, and in this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you how to use SMARTRobie. Now, once you have opened the app, you will first see this homepage here where we consistently publish various contents regarding stock ideas or upcoming events that you may be interested in. Now, on the top left of your screen, you will see the Robie chat, where you may chat with Robie to get all necessary information. So once you have tapped into this page, you will see a menu here at the bottom, which will lead you to the main menu. And in SMARTRobie, we only have two menus at the moment, which is the main menu that you see in here with 6 different features, and also another sub-menu which provides further information of a specific stock. But in this tutorial video, I will first be guiding you through the main menu. So once you have hit the main menu icon, you will first see the KLSE market today that tells you what's happening to the market. Then we have our KLSE sentiment news, followed by the trending stock list that is updated on a daily basis. Also, our Pentagon Guider, which is our flagship stock trade idea, which allows a lot of you investors, especially beginners, to get into a potential stock very early. Not to forget, our Premium Alert, which is our intraday stock trade idea that is updated every 30 minutes. Lastly, will be our latest feature, which is the Hot Sector that will show you what are the top trending sectors in KLSE that is popular among traders or investors. Let us look at the KLSE market today. You can see what's happening to the market right now and also look at the most active stocks, highest gainers, and also decliners. So once you go all the way to the bottom, you can see a chart right here, which is our famous Pentagon Guider chart, where you have two indicators, which is the green pentagon that indicates an uptrending market and the red pentagon that will appear in the chart when the market is downtrending. Okay? So next, we can go to the next feature that we have here, which is the KLSE sentiment news. Now, pay attention to this point up here, which is telling you that at the time of this recording, the market in KLSE is neutral. There are also several headlines here which you can see that seems to be making news in the headline, and you can discover some of these stocks that you like. And by clicking the code here, you are able to find out more information about the specific stock. Now, moving on to trending stock, we have a list of top 7 stocks that are going up in the uptrend today, along with the trading plan that you can see here for each stocks. First, you will see LAS, which is the previous market closing price, and TP stands for target profit, that we have target profit 1 and target profit 2 that you can aim for, while SL will be the price for you to stop loss. ATR SL is the ATR stop loss, which is a professional stop loss system where you will need to exit when the market breaks. And lastly, the date below here is the date where this trending stock was triggered. Now let's move on to our next feature, which is our flagship Pentagon Guider that is best suited for stock market beginners and first-timers. The difference between Pentagon Guider and trending stock is that trending stock are stocks that are already moving in an uptrend, whereas Pentagon Guider allows you to enter the stock in the very early stages when the stocks are starting to move up. And you may see the hot label that tells you that this is actually the stock that is currently favored by many people out there. So now next, we will look at Premium Alert. Now in our Premium Alert, it has the same elements as Pentagon Guider and trending stock, but this list is best suited for short-term intraday active traders who wants to get new stock ideas every 30 minutes. Now last but not least, let us look at the hot sector that is telling you the sectors that is trending, which I currently have healthcare, technology, industrial, and construction. And of course, you can always click into these sectors in blue to get a full list of those stocks, which is grouped by the market capitalization. You may take a look at them, whether they are ready to be entered, and also find out more information of these stocks through the sub-main menu, which will be explained in the following tutorial video. I hope that this short tutorial has been helpful to guide you through your trading journey with SMARTRobie. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial video.